1964, automotive restylist Darryl Starbird created a groundbreaking custom vehicle that would become a legendary piece of automotive design history, the Ultra Truck. Born in Wichita, Kansas, this extraordinary show rod represented the pinnacle of mid-1960s custom vehicle innovation. Starting with a 1962 Chevy one-ton truck cab, Starbird transformed the ordinary vehicle into an extraordinary custom masterpiece. He mounted the cab on a shortened 1955 Chevy frame, reducing its length by 12 inches and creating a dramatically different profile. The truck's most distinctive feature was its innovative bubble top, a push-button operated canopy made from lucite plastic, hinged at the rear and designed to expose a stunning white pleated naugahyde interior. Every aspect of the Ultra Truck was meticulously crafted. Starbird hand-formed nearly all components in his Wichita workshop. The headlights and taillights were sculpted from lucite, while chrome-plated streamlined tubing was used for the grille and license plate holder. The undercarriage was completely chrome-plated, with a custom rear coil spring housing, adding to its unique aesthetic. Mechanically, the truck featured a 1956 Buick engine loaded with chrome details and a custom-made air cleaner for the 4-barrel carburetor. The transmission was a 1956 Dynaflow, and the interior was entirely hand-sculptured in metal, complete with Stewart Warner gauges. The exterior was painted in a vibrant, essence of Iced Tangerine color that perfectly captured the era's bold design sensibilities. The Ultra Truck's impact extended beyond its physical existence. Monogram models released a detailed plastic model kit in 1966, renaming it the Orange Hauler. This model further popularized Starbird's innovative design, spreading its influence throughout the automotive and modeling communities. After disappearing for decades, the Ultra Truck experienced a remarkable resurrection. Darryl Starbird's own grandson, who authored the book The Bubble Top King, rediscovered and restored the legendary vehicle. In 2010, the truck returned to the spotlight, with the restoration process meticulously documented. Starbird himself was involved in recreating the iconic bubble top, using the same innovative techniques he developed back in 1959. The restoration process was a labor of love, showcasing the original free-blowing technique for creating the lucite bubble top. Unlike vacuum forming, which could distort the optics, Starbird's method maintained the crystal-clear quality of the original design. The truck was carefully brought back to its former glory, with the original design principles preserved. Now back on the show circuit, the Ultra Truck continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts. It stands as a testament to Darryl Starbird's innovative spirit and the enduring appeal of mid-century custom car design. The vehicle not only preserves a piece of automotive history, but also bridges generations, with Starbird's grandson ensuring that this revolutionary custom truck remains a living piece of automotive art. Decades later, the Ultra Truck remains a symbol of creativity, innovation, and the timeless appeal of custom vehicle design, a true icon of American automotive craftsmanship.